Imagine stepping outside your door to pick fresh, juicy tomatoes bursting with flavor, all grown in simple pots, even if you have zero garden space. Whether you're on a balcony, patio, or tiny yard, today I'm revealing 7 powerful secrets that will help you grow loads of healthy, vibrant tomatoes from seed to harvest. And trust me, these aren't your everyday tips. You're about to discover expert hacks that most gardeners don't know, so stick around. Hey there, welcome. If you love gardening but think you can't grow great tomatoes in pots, this video will change everything. I'm going to walk you through every step, from choosing the right seeds to harvesting those sweet, sun-ripened fruits. Plus, I'll share bonus tips along the way to help you avoid common mistakes and boost your yields. Before we dive in, if you want to turn your small space into a tomato paradise, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a gardening secret that can transform your harvest. Now, let's get started with secret number 1. The very first secret to growing lots of tomatoes in pots starts with choosing the right tomato varieties. Not all tomatoes are created equal, especially when it comes to container gardening. You want to look for varieties labeled as determinate or bush types because they tend to stay compact and produce a concentrated harvest, perfect for pots. Some excellent options include cherry tomatoes like Tiny Tim or Patio and smaller slicers like Bush Early Girl. These varieties are bred to thrive in limited soil space, giving you better yields without sprawling everywhere. Also, consider the climate where you live. If you're in a hotter area, go for heat-tolerant varieties to avoid blossom drop, which kills fruit production. Cooler climates may benefit from faster maturing tomatoes to beat the early frost. Starting your tomatoes from seed indoors is often the best way to control the quality and timing of your plants. Use seed trays or small pots with a light, well-draining seed starting mix. Keep them warm and moist, and provide plenty of light, either natural sunlight from a south-facing window or supplemental grow lights to ensure strong seedlings. This early care sets the stage for robust growth once your plants are moved outdoors into pots. Choosing the right tomato variety not only affects yield, but also influences disease resistance and flavor. Some heirloom varieties offer incredible taste, but can be more vulnerable to pests and diseases, so balance your desire for flavor with practicality. If you're new to container gardening, starting with hybrid varieties that are bred for vigor and disease resistance can give you a smoother experience. Keep in mind, growing tomatoes in pots means you're more responsible for managing conditions, like watering and feeding, since the plants can't access nutrients beyond the container.
Another crucial factor is seed quality. Fresh seeds tend to have higher germination rates, so avoid using seeds that are over a few years old unless they've been properly stored in cool, dry conditions. Starting with healthy seedlings is also a great option if you don't want to start from seed, but inspect them carefully for any signs of disease or pests before planting. Your success starts with strong, vigorous plants. Bonus tip. When buying seeds, check the days to maturity label to ensure your tomatoes will have enough time to ripen in your growing season. Choosing disease-resistant varieties like those labeled VFN, verticillium, fusarium, nematode resistance, can save you from common tomato problems later. And always start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before your last frost date for the strongest, healthiest plants. Secret number 2 is all about picking the perfect pots and containers for your tomato plants. Tomatoes need plenty of room for their roots to grow. If they're cramped, your plants will struggle and produce fewer fruits. Ideally, each tomato plant should have a container that holds at least 5 gallons, about 19 liters of soil. Larger containers help retain moisture longer and give roots space to expand, which leads to healthier, more productive plants. The material of your pots matters too. Terracotta pots are porous, allowing the soil to breathe, but they dry out faster, meaning you'll need to water more often. Plastic or resin containers retain moisture better, but make sure they have good drainage holes to avoid waterlogging, which can cause root rot and limit oxygen availability. Consider self-watering pots if you want to reduce daily watering chores. They provide a consistent moisture supply that tomatoes love. Make sure your containers have drainage holes at the bottom. And place a layer of small stones or broken pottery shards before adding soil. This improves drainage and prevents water from pooling around the roots. Elevating your pot slightly off the ground using pot feet or bricks can also help excess water escape and keep pests like slugs at bay. The size and shape of your container can also influence how often you need to water your tomatoes. Narrow or shallow pots dry out quickly and may stress the plants, so always choose containers with sufficient depth and width. Consider the weight and mobility of your pots, especially if you live in an area with harsh weather or need to move plants indoors during cold spells. Drainage is essential. Pots without proper drainage can lead to waterlogged roots, which causes diseases like root rot and limits oxygen availability. If your container doesn't have holes, drill some yourself or add a layer of coarse material at the bottom to facilitate water flow. Remember, a healthy root system is the foundation of a strong tomato plant. Bonus tip: avoid using containers that previously held chemicals or treated wood to prevent toxic buildup in your soil. When transplanting seedlings, gently loosen the root ball to encourage new root growth and avoid root circling inside the pot. And clean your pots thoroughly with diluted vinegar or bleach before reusing them to reduce the risk of disease.
Secret number 3 is all about the right soil mix and nutrition for growing tomatoes in pots. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, meaning they require nutrient-rich soil to produce abundant fruit. The best soil for container tomatoes should be light, well-draining, yet moisture-retentive. A high-quality potting mix blended with organic compost or well-rotted manure creates the perfect environment for your tomato roots to thrive. Avoid using garden soil alone, as it can compact in pots and restrict root growth. Instead, look for potting mixes specifically formulated for vegetables, or add ingredients like coconut coir, peat moss, or perlite to improve aeration and water retention. Mixing in slow-release organic fertilizer or granular tomato fertilizer at planting gives your plants a steady supply of nutrients, but supplementing with liquid feed every 2 weeks during the growing season keeps them producing at their best. Tomatoes also need the right balance of key nutrients: nitrogen for leafy growth early on, phosphorus for strong root development and flowering, and potassium to boost fruit size and flavor. Over-fertilizing with nitrogen after flowering can cause lush leaves but fewer tomatoes, so adjusting your feeding as plants grow is critical. Feeding tomatoes in pots requires a consistent nutrient supply because they rely entirely on what you provide. Organic fertilizers like compost tea or fish emulsion are excellent for slow, steady feeding, while synthetic options can give quick nutrient boosts. Monitoring your plants closely. Yellowing leaves or slow growth can indicate nutrient deficiencies, which should be addressed promptly to avoid yield loss. pH balance is also critical. Tomatoes prefer slightly acidic soil, around pH 6.0 to 6.8. Testing your potting mix can help you address acidity with amendments like lime or sulfur. Balanced soil chemistry ensures your plants can absorb nutrients efficiently, supporting healthy growth and fruit development. Bonus tip: add crushed eggshells to your potting mix or sprinkle them on top to provide calcium, which helps prevent blossom and rot, a common tomato problem. Mulching the surface of your pots with straw or shredded leaves helps retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. And always water deeply and consistently to avoid nutrient stress and cracking fruit. Secret number 4 is about watering your potted tomatoes properly. Tomatoes in containers need consistent moisture because pots dry out faster than garden beds. But overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. It can lead to root rot, nutrient leaching, and poor fruit quality. The goal is to keep the soil evenly moist but never soggy. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply whenever the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Early morning watering is ideal because it allows the plant to absorb moisture before the heat of the day and reduces the risk of fungal diseases. Avoid watering the leaves directly. Instead, aim for the base of the plant to keep foliage dry. Using a drip irrigation system or self-watering containers can simplify this process and maintain steady moisture levels, which tomatoes love. Also, check your pots daily during hot, dry weather. Tomatoes can need water every day when temperatures soar. Mulching your pot's surface can help slow evaporation and keep roots cooler. Watering frequency can vary widely depending on weather, pot size, and tomato variety, so learning to read your plant's needs is key.
Watch for signs like drooping leaves or dry soil as cues to water, but be careful. Some wilting can also indicate overwatering, so always check soil moisture before watering. Deep watering encourages roots to grow downward, making plants more resilient during dry periods. Using mulch on the soil surface not only conserves moisture, but also helps regulate soil temperature, protecting roots from extreme heat or cold. Organic mulches like straw, shredded leaves, or bark work well, but make sure they don't touch the plant stems to prevent fungal issues. Proper watering and mulching together create the perfect environment for tomato roots. Bonus tip: to test if your plant needs water, lift the pot. If it feels light, it's time to water. Water in the early morning to reduce water loss and fungal risks, and avoid letting your tomatoes suffer from drought stress, as this can cause fruit cracking and poor yields. If you're finding these tomato growing secrets helpful so far, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps this video reach more gardening lovers like you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's a perfect time to join the community and get more expert tips delivered straight to your feed. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the biggest challenge you faced growing tomatoes in pots? I'd love to hear your story. Secret number 5 is all about giving your tomatoes enough sunlight. Tomatoes are sun lovers. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day to grow strong and produce lots of fruit. If your pots don't get enough light, your plants will become leggy, weak, and produce fewer flowers and tomatoes. Place your pots in the sunniest spot you have, whether that's a balcony, patio, or windowsill. If natural sunlight is limited, consider supplementing with a grow light designed for fruiting plants. Position your tomatoes so they get the morning sun, which is less harsh and helps dry off dew that can cause disease. Remember to rotate your pots every few days to ensure all sides of the plant get light evenly, preventing uneven growth. In really hot climates, providing a little afternoon shade can protect your tomatoes from sun scald, which causes pale, damaged spots on the fruit. If natural sunlight is limited, don't be discouraged. Tomatoes can still thrive with supplemental lighting. LED grow lights are energy efficient and can be tailored to provide the red and blue wavelengths tomatoes need for photosynthesis and flowering. Position lights about 12 to 18 inches above plants and keep them on for 12 to 16 hours daily during the growing phase to mimic natural conditions. Be mindful of light intensity and duration. Too much light can cause leaf burn, while too little slows growth and reduces fruit production. Observing your plant's responses and adjusting lighting accordingly ensures they receive just the right amount of energy for healthy development and juicy fruit. Bonus tip: use reflective surfaces like white walls or aluminum foil nearby to increase light exposure. Clean your grow lights regularly to maintain maximum brightness, and keep an eye out for signs of too much or too little light, like yellowing leaves or slow growth. Secret number 6 is all about supporting your tomato plants properly. Even determinate or bush varieties need support to keep fruits off the soil, improve air circulation, and prevent diseases. Using stakes, cages, or trellises keeps your plants upright and makes harvesting easier. For pots, lightweight tomato cages or sturdy stakes work best. Insert your supports right after transplanting seedlings to avoid disturbing roots later. As the plant grows, gently tie the main stem to the support with soft ties or strips of cloth to avoid anything too tight that can damage the plant. Supporting your tomatoes also helps prevent sprawling, which can lead to fruit rot or pest issues. Proper airflow around the plant reduces humidity and lowers the risk of fungal diseases like powdery mildew and blight. Supporting your tomatoes also helps prevent common pest problems by keeping leaves and fruit off the ground where slugs, snails, and soil-borne diseases lurk. Training your tomatoes onto a vertical structure maximizes airflow and sunlight exposure, which in turn promotes faster drying of foliage and reduces fungal infections. As the plant grows, prune away any suckers, the small shoots that develop between the main stem and branches. This encourages the plant to focus its energy on producing larger fruit rather than excessive foliage. But be careful not to over-prune.
Maintaining a balanced canopy ensures enough leaves to feed the plant through photosynthesis. Bonus tip: use biodegradable garden ties or soft strips of old t-shirts to secure plants gently. Remove lower leaves as plants grow to further improve airflow, and clean or replace supports each season to avoid transferring diseases.
Secret number 7 is all about knowing when and how to harvest your tomatoes for the best flavor and yield. Tomatoes don't continue to ripen well once picked unless they're close to full color, so timing is key. Look for vibrant color, firm but slightly soft texture, and a sweet fruity aroma as signs of ripeness. Harvest tomatoes in the morning when temperatures are cooler to preserve flavor and reduce the risk of bruising. Use clean scissors or pruning shears to cut the fruit off the vine, leaving a small stem attached to prevent damage. Regularly picking ripe tomatoes encourages the plant to produce more fruit instead of focusing energy on ripening existing ones. Be aware of common issues like cracking or splitting, which often result from inconsistent watering. Catching fruit just before this happens ensures you don't lose any harvest. If you notice pests or diseases, harvest affected tomatoes promptly to avoid spread. When harvesting, be gentle to avoid bruising the fruit, which can lead to faster spoilage. If you have an abundant crop, consider picking slightly underripe tomatoes and letting them ripen indoors on a sunny windowsill. This can help extend your harvest period and reduce losses due to pests or weather. Additionally, regular harvesting encourages your tomato plant to produce more fruit. If tomatoes are left on the vine too long, the plant signals it to slow down fruit production. Keeping up with timely picking keeps your plants in productive mode longer, maximizing your overall yield. Bonus tip: store ripe tomatoes at room temperature away from direct sunlight for optimal flavor. Use a basket lined with paper towels to prevent bruising during storage. And don't forget to save seeds from your best fruits for next season's garden. There you have it, the 7 secrets to growing lots of delicious tomatoes in pots from seed to harvest. With the right variety, containers, soil, watering, sunlight, support, and harvesting techniques, you're all set to enjoy a bountiful tomato harvest even in the smallest spaces. If you put these secrets into practice, you'll be amazed at how much your tomatoes can thrive and how rewarding container gardening can be. Remember, gardening is a journey, so keep experimenting, learning, and sharing your results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardeners. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future videos packed with expert tips and fresh ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy growing up!